Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about invisible ink in 3 different ways, and we're going to be seeing the chemistry behind what makes this ink invisible. So the first type we're going to start with is using lemon juice, which I squeezed the fresh lemon right here. So now we're going to use this as our ink and start writing our secret message. Okay, now we need to make sure that it's completely dried. Okay, now that it's been about 5 minutes and we let the lemon juice completely dry, we're going to add some heat from the stovetop and see what happens. And you guys can see that the secret message is starting to show. Oops, upside down. Okay, now you see our secret message has been revealed. So, what happened was that after the lemon juice dried, the water evaporated, leaving behind the citric acid. So the citric acid reacted with the paper. Paper is made up of cellulose, so the citric acid started breaking down the cellulose. So after that, once we added the heat made the reaction go by faster. That's how only the spots that were treated with the lemon juice burn faster than the rest of the paper. Okay, for our next type of invisible ink, I'm going to be using this baking soda that I mixed with water as our ink. And we're going to use grape juice to see if we can reveal our secret message. So now I'm just going to dip the Q-tip and draw our secret message. Okay, now we're just going to wait like about 5 minutes to make sure that's completely dry, and we're going to add grape juice to see if our secret message. Okay, now that our water and baking soda mixture is completely dried, we're going to dip this in some grape juice and put it on top of our secret message and see if it's revealed. Okay, and as you can see, our secret message has been revealed, and it came out in kind of a dark greenish color, and that's because this grape juice acts like a natural pH indicator because it contains organic compounds called anthocyanins, and those compounds are found in most plants or fruits or flowers that are blue, dark red, or purple. So using the grape juice is kind of like using a pH strip, where it changes color depending on if something is acidic or basic. The more basic something is, the more blue the pH paper changes, and the more acidic something is, the pH paper will turn more red. This baking soda mixture is more alkaline, so that's why it came out kind of a greenish color, not really blue. So that's how this invisible ink works. Okay, so for our last type of invisible ink, we're going to be using the Backlight or ultraviolet rays. And so in this bowl right here, I have just plain tonic water that I added. Put some more. And in this bowl right here next to it, I added some tonic water and a little bit of bleach. So we're going to draw our secret messages and see what happens. So on this side, I'm using just the tonic water to draw our secret message. Okay, and on this side, I'm going to draw a secret message using the tonic water and bleach mixture. Okay, and we're gonna wait about 5 minutes to make sure everything's dry. Sorry. Okay, now that our visible ink dried, I put it under a black light, and you guys can kind of see on this side, the one that was the tonic water by itself with the sun, it kind of has a light blue glow to it under the black light. And on the other side, that I had added bleach to the tonic water, it comes out black, like it doesn't have any glow at all under the black light. And there's actually a chemical reason behind that. Okay, so the reason why this kind of invisible ink with using the tonic water and bleach works is actually the chemistry behind this kind of tonic water is, as you guys can see, it says contains quinine. And quinine is the compound that absorbs the black light. So black light is actually ultraviolet rays. So the quinine absorbs the ultraviolet rays, and that's what makes it glow this kind of blue color, as you guys can see. And then once you add the bleach, which is an oxidative agent, the bleach is going to oxidize and break the carbon-carbon double bonds that's inside this tonic water, or particularly inside the quinine. And then once the bleach breaks those carbon-carbon double bonds, the ultraviolet rays from the black light can't be absorbed anymore, and that's why there was no glow on this side that we drew the moon on. So both the secret messages showed under the black light, but the one with the sun had more of a glowing color, and the one with the moon was the black color because it didn't absorb any of the UV light. So that's how this invisible ink works.